Today we will discuss about coal and petroleum of class 8. Coal and petroleum, as you know, coal and petroleum is too much important for any country, any nations. Those country which having a large source of coal and petroleum, that will make the country too much wealthier. As for example, Israel is a very smaller country, but it contains too much petroleum product. That's why it's have a too much rich country. Today we will discuss coal and petroleum of class 8. First of all, you have to know what is resources. Resources means the things that can be used by us. The things that can be used by us are called resources. There are two type of resources. One is natural and another is artificial or man-made. Natural resources, the resources which can be given us by the nature. As for example, air, sunlight, these are the natural resources. Water, air, sunlight, water, these are the natural resources. And artificial resources which can be made by us, just like a thermal power plant. So in case of natural resources, here you see the resources included everything provided by nature according to their utility. Resources, natural resources can be classified into two groups: inexhaustible and exhaustible. In case of inexhaustible, that means they are presented in unlimited amount, or that can be formed in a short period of time. In short period of time, those resources which can be created, that is called inexhaustible resources, such as sunlight, air, water. These are the natural inexhaustible resources. But exhaustible resources, these are also natural resources, but they are presented in limited amount. Why they are presented in limited amount? Because for the formation of this type of resources, we take a long period of time. We take the long period of time for inexhaustible resources. Inexhaustible resources are, we classified inexhaustible resources into three forms: coal, petroleum and natural gas. Coal, petroleum and natural gas. Coal, generally coal are formed by the nature due to large number of plant undergoes inside the earth, and this process, by the process of carbonization. What is the process in formation of coal? That is the process. That process is known as carbonization. Carbonization is a process that makes the coal. How it can be made? It is made by when large number of plant undergoes inside the earth due to earthquake or due to any hazards. These plant are just goes inside the earth and they just comes into the debris due to high pressure and high temperature and the presence of some bacteria that will convert that plant into coal in the form of coal. Similarly, if animal goes in a debris, then that will converted into petroleum or petrols or diesel or petroleum products. And some gases are also present inside the earth, that is called natural gases. coal, petroleum and natural gas. These are the natural. These are the. Here we will discuss about the coal, petroleum and natural gas. Coal is formed by the carbonization. Petroleum is also formed by the carbonization. In case of coal, there are three types of coals. They are lignite. It contains 25 to 35% of carbon. Bituminous, it contains 45 to 80% carbon. And anthracite, 85 to 90% of carbon. That means anthracite is a very good quality of coal. Anthracite is a very good quality of coal. Bituminous is less good and lignite is not a good quality of coals. Coal, from coal we made coke, coal tar and coal gas. Coke, coal tar and coal gas. Coke, coal tar and coal gas. Coke is a solid part, coal tar is a liquid and coal gas is a gaseous substance. Coke is a solid substance that can be used in case of manufacturing of cathode, such as a carbon cathode. We use coke. Coal tar is a liquid substance that can be used to make pitch or road making substance, and coal gas is a mixture of so many gases in which carbon dioxide, NO2, methane, these are the mixture of coal gases. Okay, so coke, this is the solid residue. Coke is a which type of substance? Solid residue. Coal tar is a liquid and this one is a gaseous. It is used in manufacturing of anode or cathode. That means manufacturing of electrolyte. Manufacturing of electrolyte, we make coke. Similarly, coal tar is a liquid substance which is used in manufacturing of road making substance. And coal gas is used in our LPG process. Similarly, natural gas is a very important fuel as it is easy to transport through the pipe and cannot be compressed. Sorry, can be compressed. Sorry, cannot not can be compressed. Natural gas, that is compressed natural gas, is called CNG. It is a clean fuel and it causes no pollution and has high calorific value. So we will discuss coal and petroleum. As I discussed today coal and petroleum, in next class we will discuss about the question and answer of this chapter. So please do your job perfectly. Okay, thanks.